In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the fundamental rules of wealth building that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we look at forever freedom. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to level up your wealth building strategies, these rules will set you on the path to achieve your goals. First, and arguably the most important, it's crucial to educate yourself about personal finance and seek professional advice tailored to your specific circumstances. One of the foundational pillars of wealth building is knowledge. We have all heard the saying, knowledge is power. And in the world of personal finance, those who have the knowledge of how money works and how to make it hold the power over it. The more you understand about managing your finances, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that propel you towards your financial goals. Fortunately for us, there's a wealth of resources available to help you expand your financial literacy. Whether it's books, online courses, podcasts, or workshops, take advantage of every opportunity to learn and grow your financial knowledge. Improving your own financial literacy is only part of this rule. The highest net worth people around the world know what they do and what they don't understand. They all rely on multiple professionals to aid through their financial journey. While their journeys may be more complex than most of ours, they know that they don't know everything. A qualified financial advisor can help you develop a personalized financial plan, identify areas for improvement, and navigate complex financial decisions with confidence. In a world that has many varying opinions about personal finance, seeking professional advice can help you avoid costly mistakes along your financial journey. A quality professional will even help you to expand your financial knowledge further as they work with you. Investing in your financial education and seeking professional advice are investments in your future wealth and security. By arming yourself with knowledge and expertise, you'll be better equipped to make sound financial choices that set you on the path to success. Now let's explore the concept of diversifying your income streams, a fundamental strategy for accelerating your journey to your financial goals. Gone are the days when relying solely on a single source of income was sufficient to secure your financial future. In today's dynamic economy, having multiple streams of income is not just a luxury, but a necessity. The topic of income streams can often bring up images of entrepreneurs running multiple businesses, and that is simply not for all of us. One way to diversify your income is by leveraging the power of the internet. You can start by selling unwanted items around your home on platforms like eBay or Craigslist. This not only declutters your space, but also puts some extra cash in your pocket. Freelancing is another excellent way to diversify your income streams. Many of us have skills that can be utilized as a freelancer, and we don't even realize it. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or consultant, there's a plethora of freelance opportunities available online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients and showcase your skills. Additionally, taking on a part-time job or gig work can provide a steady stream of supplementary income. Whether it's delivering food, driving for a rideshare service, or working retail on weekends or overnights, every extra dollar counts towards your financial goals. By diversifying your income streams, you not only increase your earning potential, but also create a buffer against economic uncertainties. The last few years have shown us how unpredictable life can be. If one source of income falters, you have others to fall back on, reducing the impact on your overall financial stability. So, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify and watch your wealth grow. When it comes to building wealth, consistency is key. Small, consistent behaviors are far more powerful than sporadic efforts. Instead of randomly allocating large amounts towards your financial goals, commit to standard weekly behaviors that move you closer to success. Imagine two individuals with the same financial goals. One adopts consistent behaviors while the other is sporadic and irregular in their approach. Who do you think will achieve their goals faster? The answer is clear. Consistency is the secret sauce to success. While it may seem tempting to make sporadic efforts and put large sums towards your financial goals whenever you can, the truth is that smaller, consistent behaviors yield far better results in the long run. Whether it's saving a portion of your income, paying off debt, or investing regularly, establish a routine and stick to it. Over time, these consistent efforts will compound, leading to significant progress on your financial journey. If you commit to a standard weekly behavior, you're more likely to stay on track and make steady progress towards your financial journey goals. On the other hand, irregular behaviors can lead to inconsistency and setbacks, making it harder to maintain momentum and achieve meaningful results. It's like trying to build a house without a solid foundation. Sooner or later, it's bound to crumble. At some point throughout our financial journeys, things will not go to plan. If you are irregular in your behaviors, your financial journey goals will be the first part of your life that is reduced or removed. By embracing consistent behaviors and incorporating them into your daily routine, you'll not only make progress towards your financial goals, but also develop healthy habits that will serve you well throughout your life. One of the best ways to ensure consistency in your financial habits is by automating everything. In today's fast-paced world, time is a precious commodity. Automating your finances not only saves you time and effort, but also helps you stay disciplined and on track with your financial goals. The first step in automating your finances is to determine how much you need to set aside for your bills and fixed expenses each month. Once you have a clear understanding of your expenses, automate the transfer of funds from your primary account to a separate bill-paying account. Similarly, if you have debt repayments to make, automate those transfers as well. Whether it's credit card debt, buy now, pay later accounts, or a mortgage, setting up automatic payments ensures that you never miss a deadline and helps you chip away at your debt systematically. By automating your finances, you remove the temptation to spend impulsively and ensure that your financial priorities are taken care of without fail. It's like putting your money on autopilot towards wealth-building success. If you are like me and are a spender, automating your finances is a good way to trick yourself. If your transfers are set to happen shortly after your payday, you will get used to seeing what is left over. This sticks to legendary investor Warren Buffett's saying of spending what is left after saving. The last part is to automate your investments. Once you've determined how much you can comfortably commit to your investments each month, set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts. This holds true if you can contribute towards your super, use a brokerage account, or utilize a Roundup investing app. Automating your contributions ensures that you stay consistent with your investment strategy. One of the most powerful wealth-building strategies you can implement is to start investing as soon as possible. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Let's consider two individuals. One starts investing at 25, while the other waits until they are 35 to begin. Both of them invest $100 per month. When it comes time for them to retire at 65, the person who started investing at 35 will have a balance of $89,000. The person who started at 25, however, has amassed a balance of $162,000. Despite investing the same amount of money, the person who starts earlier will end up almost double the amount of money by retirement. The key is consistency. By investing regularly and automating your contributions, you harness the full potential of compounding interest, where your earnings generate additional earnings over time. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, the important thing is to start as early as possible and stay invested for the long term. As you progress on your financial journey, it's essential to resist the temptation to keep up with the Joneses. Avoid falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where you increase your spending as your income grows. In today's consumer-driven society, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparing ourselves to others and feeling the pressure to keep up appearances. We are constantly bombarded from social media about people living large lives. Whether it's buying the latest gadgets, dining at expensive restaurants, or splurging on luxury vacations, succumbing to lifestyle inflation can quickly derail your financial goals and leave you trapped in a cycle of debt and discontent. Instead, focus on building wealth that aligns with your values and long-term goals. Remember, true financial freedom comes from living below your means, not beyond them. Your budget should include a discretionary spendings line, as our financial journeys still require us to live in the present. Practice mindful spending by distinguishing between needs and wants and prioritizing experiences and investments that bring genuine happiness and fulfillment. By avoiding the keeping up with the Joneses trap and staying true to your financial journey, you will achieve your goals sooner than you thought possible. As you progress on your financial journey and achieve certain milestones, it's important to consider how you can scale up your wealth-building efforts for even greater success. Perhaps you started a side hustle that's been gaining traction, or maybe you've identified a problem in the market that you're uniquely positioned to solve. Whatever the case may be, seizing opportunities to scale up your wealth can accelerate your path to achieving your financial journey goals. Scaling up your wealth-building efforts may involve leveraging your skills, resources, and networks to pursue new ventures or investments. Whether it's expanding your business, acquiring income-producing assets, or venturing into new markets, be strategic and proactive in your approach. Keep in mind that scaling up your wealth requires careful planning, diligence, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. But with the right mindset and determination, you can unlock new levels of success. Remember, you are on a journey. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward towards your next goal. If you can build these rules of wealth, building into your financial journeys, you will be succeeding in no time. Always remember, financial success is within your reach, and with the right knowledge and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Forever Finance to stay updated with more valuable content. Please consider liking this video to help it reach more people. If you have any topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time on Forever Finance.